Gloria Molina Legacy Park, and the Grand Park is just here. There you go, folks. And the town hall, the civic center. Beautiful. That's downtown Financial. Civic authorities and civic center. Beautiful. No mucking around here. No graffiti, no drugs, and no unhoused. Beautiful. This is how it should all be. The Times of LA. The LA Times building just over there as well. Lovely. Why are these flags still at half-mast? What's going on? Oh, the fires. LA fires, folks. The Court of Historic American Flags. The LA Times building there as well. Nice. Oh dear. What's happened there? I thought I was lucky not to encounter any. Anyhow, Gloria Molina. The Civic Center. Temple Street. I'm the only one here on a Sunday. Wow. That's all very neo-tropical. Beautiful architecture, right? Absolutely beautiful. This is what I always love to see. The grand architecture of America. Grand architecture of it's like the state houses across the whole of the United States. They're beautiful. Incredibly beautiful. Wow.